We are now going to watch a tutorial about how to apply to Colorado State University in Pueblo. This is different than Colorado State University in Fort Collins. This is a smaller school in Pueblo. Colorado State University Fort Collins is a Common App school, so if you plan on applying there, please do so on the Common App. For CSU Pueblo, to get the application, I'm going to Google CSU Pueblo application, and I should be able to find where to apply. I'm going to scroll down to where it says apply here for all 2021 semesters and fall 2020 online. We're going to apply for the fall 2021 semester. We are going to go down and create an account to start a new application. You're going to put your personal email address in here. Again, we don't want to use our DST email. You're then going to put your birth date. And you'll receive a temporary PIN to your email address. While that's coming in, go ahead and put your birth date again to confirm. Check your email on your phone or on your computer for the PIN and type that in here to activate your account. Once you've done this, set a password. I always recommend SST 2021 exclamation point. Notice that CSU Pueblo requires 12 characters. I'm going to keep hitting exclamation until I get to 12. And make sure they match. Always got to click save for your password or to write it down on a note in your phone or take a picture of it. I'm going to then go down to start new application. And for application type, I'm going to click undergraduate fall 2021. I know this is the year 2020, but we are going to enroll in college in 2021. You're then going to click undergraduate fall 2021 freshman and then create application. You're then going to open the application and put some information in here. I'm going to put my address. I'm going to pretend I live at the school. Same as my permanent address. Put your email. If you want to put your cell phone, you can, and they can text you some information. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Sex at birth, you can self-identify, put male, female, whatever you choose. And then put your citizenship. If you have dual citizenship, feel free to add it. If you know your social security number, go ahead and add it here. If you don't have a social security number, please leave the section blank. You're then going to put your information about your race or identity. And then answer the question if you are an active duty member of the military or any affiliation. Answer which one best applies to you. If you have no affiliation, click no. If you went to CSU Pueblo, you can have two options, either being on campus or online. I would always recommend clicking on campus to be considered for the most financial aid. Click the program you want to study. I'm going to study biochemistry. Do you plan to graduate high school? Click yes. You also have the option of being test optional for your test scores. If you have them, go ahead and report them by clicking the following. If you don't want to report your test scores, click no. You're then going to add information about your parents or caregivers. I'm just going to add the simple information. Put as much detail as you can, but you don't need to fill in every single section. Put what degree they have received. If you have both caregivers, please add that information. If you just have one caregiver, you're fine with just one. And then click continue. You're then going to add what high school you go to. It should pop up when you search. And then for level of study, click high school. For degree expected, click high school diploma. For date conferred or expected, click May 2021. And yes, English is the primary language for this institution. You're then going to add your college application manager here. So so they can send information on your behalf. So if you were on my caseload, you would put my information here. If you don't know their title, that's okay. You can put their information for telephone. If you want to, you don't have to. You definitely have to put their email address. So to do that, you're going to put their first name, dot last name. We don't have the .cv. And then click send to school official. If you're not a high school graduate, have you earned a general equivalency diploma? The answer for this is no. You're going to click continue. For these questions, since you've gone to do a DSST school, you've done 4 years of English, you've done all the math, you did all your sciences, you've done your social sciences, you've done your foreign language, you've done all your electives. While at DSST, we have not done any concurrent enrollment at CSU Pueblo. If you believe that you have, please reach out to your application manager. For residency, you would claim residency if you live in one of those zip codes, such as near the school, and if you attended high school in Colorado for 3 years, and if you've graduated from a public or private university and intending to enroll after high school. If you have any criminal charges, you do need to report those. If you don't have any, you can select no. Make sure you look at that statement to believe that you've answered the questions to the best of your ability, and then click continue. Since we're applying on free application day, we'll go back to our handout and use this fee waiver code. You can click Control-C to copy it over, put this here, and then click continue. You'll then type your full legal name and then click confirm. And then before you submit, see if there's anything missing. I didn't put this information just because I wanted to get through this pretty quickly. And I don't want to provide all information, but please make sure you've detected any of those errors if they have them. If you don't have any errors, you then can submit your application. I'm not going to submit because I'm not actually going to apply, but this is the process how to apply to CSU Pueblo. If you have any questions, please reach out to your application manager. And if you want to watch this video again, go back and pause and watch different parts of the video.